Welcome to ChocoColor. Are you ready to have fun?
Hello, ChocoColor's friends. Today, we're going to draw and color a beautiful Christmas tree together. Are you ready? Grab your pencils, markers, or brushes, and let's have fun. Stay with us to discover how we will bring to life this magical Christmas tree. Now I'm drawing some small circles for the decorations. Look at our tree. It's starting to take shape. Now it's time to make it magical with colors. What's your favorite color? Let's use lots of bright ones. Every Christmas tree needs a shiny star on top. Let's color ours bright yellow. Doesn't it look magical? Now let's decorate our tree. I'm adding some colorful lights. What decorations will you add?
Red! Blue! Orange! Green!
Holidays are here, let's spread some cheer. With crayons and paints, the fun is near. Color snowflakes, yellow and white. Paint starts shining oh so bright. ChocoColor fun, let's make it clear. Holiday joy is drawing near. Grab your brushes, let's create a colorful world that's truly great. ChocoColor's a place to be. Rainbow sleighs glide through the sky. Snowman wears scarves of every dye. Color, laugh, and have some fun. Holidays are for everyone. ChocoColor brings joy each day. Let's paint the world in our own way.
Brown!
Wow! Look at our beautiful Christmas tree. It's so colorful and festive. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like up and subscribe for more fun coloring adventures. Merry Christmas from ChocoColor!